So how e be say as e be now be say you wan enter Capcut. If you enter Capcut, you go select video. Let's say now this one be the video. The video when you want use. First, you will select another background. If now the text when you need, now you will first like select. Let's say this like this animation video now, might be the text when I want select. Then I will come add overlay. Overlay be say this one. I'll come use am add that main video when I want publish like this. So as I select am, so I'll come add am. Then the videos will come be two. If you look now, that background not there. So me will come remove the background for this main video. This main video. So as it be, so me will now go remove the background for here. For here, so I'll remove the background for here. So you see, and so as I remove the background, so the text now for me, what I will do now to adjust am so that it will fit well. Although as it be like this, I will remove the end screen for this one, so I fit add something else join. As it be, so I fit see plus and double the video or add more join like this. There will be two. As your main video they play, so you see say the background will change, but for me to adjust the video well so that they know what they see and say na chroma key I do. So let's say now, you know, so as you take how you take get that animation picture now for my idea easy way. As you take they do your intro, that app when you take they do intro, if you use and do test video for intro, like as my test video be, so that intro when I get, so you now you're waiting with the make category be say now you they show, because the chroma key once you remove, you not fit remove you. So this one are my idea when I don't get. You see the background now, you show for the back. So all the text when you write, if an animation you do, now so you will see be for the background for the back. So just first try this idea first, and once you don't sabi this one, if you need more idea, problem no day. So now for me to cut on like this. Okay. So now so it be for now. Make I first save and send and give you. I hope you will quickly understand this thing when I do so. So they easy for you. I never do the tutorial. So if I ready, I will try to do the tutorial for my channel. And because my channel not they get views, YouTube not they try for me. That's why I leave them.